morning mga kamigs. Welcome to Bahay Kubo, Dahican Beach Resort of Mati. Mo nilang mga kubo guys, cottage nila with room. Thank you dahil sa among sponsor ani, AJ Boy and Family. Pa-like naman sa Rockpo TV guys. Sa mga baguhan pa lang dito sa aming channel guys, baka naman please do like, share, and subscribe. This is the sunrise of Dahican Bahay Kubo Beach Resort. Thank you for watching guys. See you all again to our next video.